Good morning, students. So, today let me give you some basic ideas about the subject biology. Okay, now already you have studied in your school days that biology it is a combination of two Greek words. So, this word biology is a combination of two Greek words, and the two Greek words are bios and logos or logos. Okay, what is bios? Bios means life. What is logos? Logos means study. Okay, so what is biology? Study of life is called biology. Okay, I'm repeating once again. The word biology, it came from two Greek words, bios and logos. Bios means life, logos means study. So study of life is called biology. Okay, now this biology, this was adopted as a scientific term by Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Okay, so once again I'm repeating, biology was adopted, or the term biology was adopted as a scientific term by Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Okay, so from 1744 to 1827. Okay, so this you have to remember that biology was adopted as a scientific term by Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Another important point is that the term biology was given by Lamarck and Treviranus. So these two scientists, they gave the term biology. So if you get a question, who gave the term biology, you are going to write Lamarck and Treviranus. Okay, now this subject, it is a broad based subject. So biology, it is a broad based subject. Okay, and it has got what? Multidisciplinary approach. So biology has got a multidisciplinary approach. So it is a broad based subject. Okay, so for this reason, the term biology, this has been replaced by life sciences or biological sciences. Okay, so biology is what? It is a broad based subject. It has got what? Multidisciplinary approach. So for this reason, biology, this has been replaced by what? Life sciences or biological sciences. Okay, now traditionally biology, this has been classified into botany and zoology. So this you know it very well. So traditionally, this is the traditional division of biology. Biology has been divided into botany and zoology. Okay, now what is botany? Study of plant life is called botany. Okay, and this word botany, this has also come from a Greek word which means botane, B-O-T-A-N-E, botane, which means what? Which means pasture or plants. So botany word has come from where? From a Greek word. And what is that Greek word? It is botane, B-O-T-A-N-E. And what is the meaning of botany? It means pasture or plants. Okay, so botany technically technically botany, it is also called what? Phytology. Phyto, phyto, Logy, phytology. Okay, and remember, who is the father of botany? Theophrastus. He is known as the father of botany. Okay, I am repeating once again. Traditionally, biology has been divided into two parts, and the two parts are botany and zoology. What is botany? Botany means study of plant life. Okay, now this word, it came from a Greek word which means botane. What is botane? Botane means pasture, pasture, pasture or plants. Okay, so pasture or plants. And technically botany is called what? Botany is also called phytology. Phyto means plant, logos means study. So study of plants is called what? Phytology. Another name is botany. Okay, and who is the father of botany? Remember, it is Theophrastus, who is known as the father of botany. Now the next one is zoology. Zoology. What is zoology? Study of animals is called zoology. Okay, now this zoology, this also came from two Greek words. It came from two Greek words. Zoon. Zoon means animals and logos means study. So study of animals is called zoology. Okay, and Aristotle, he is known as what? He is known as the father of zoology. Okay, now at present biology has been divided into three parts, and the three parts are what? Botany, zoology and microbiology. Okay, so at present biology is divided into three parts, and what are the three parts? Botany, zoology and microbiology. You know what is botany, you know what is zoology, that you know. So what is microbiology? Microbiology, it is a branch of biology which deals with different aspects of microorganisms. So the branch of biology which deals with different aspects of microorganisms is called microbiology. Okay, so in a very simple way I can say microbiology means what? It is that part of biology which studies about microorganisms. Okay, now this microbiology, this has been divided into two parts, and the two parts are bacteriology and virology. Bacteriology. What is bacteriology? Bacteriology is the study of bacteria. And what is virology? Virology, it is a study of viruses. Okay, and who is called the father of microbiology? Leeuwenhoek is known as the father of microbiology. Okay, so what you find that the father of botany is Theophrastus, father of zoology is Aristotle, and father of microbiology is Leeuwenhoek. You have come to know also that traditionally biology is divided into two parts, botany and zoology, but now at present biology is divided into three parts. And what are the three parts? They are botany, zoology and microbiology. Botany is what? Botany is study of plants. What is zoology? Zoology is the study of animals. And what is microbiology? Microbiology is the study of microorganisms.